Hey guys, it's your girl Rachel J. I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about money. Some tips and tricks that I've used to basically save money and how I was able to save $1,000 in just 4 weeks. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press that little bell button so you are aware every time I update the dollhouse with a new video. If you are interested in how I save my money and how to save $1,000 in a month, just continue watching this video. So I have all the notes written down here, and it's actually not as hard as you think it is to save money. I have always been the type of person where, like, when I get money, it literally used to burn a hole in my pocket. Like, as soon as I got it, I would spend it. So I was never able to actually save up, a good amount of money. First tip that I have for you guys, keep track of your expenses. You should always know what's coming in and what's going out. Things that you know that you like to overindulge on when you're trying to save, you really have to cut back on. Able to see what's coming in and going out is easier for you to not spend as much because you're like, whoa. Now I only have $250 left out of this check, and I don't get paid again till 2 weeks from now. So now I gotta be frugal, and you know exactly what things you can spend on and what things to not spend on. I feel like being able to visibly see what you're spending just really overall is the big catch on saving your money. The least amount of money you have going out means more money is staying in. You see the money adding up, it's going to make you want to cut back on more, trust me. Which leads us to tip number 3. I feel like this is one of the best ways to save money, guys. Every time you break a 20 or 100, every time you break a bill, take $5 out of that and put that away. Put that away somewhere. And if you know you're the type of person that you're going to touch your money, put it in a bottle. I love to just put my money in a bottle, in a glass bottle, because then the only way that you can spend it is if you break it. Like I said before, when you actually see your money piling up, you're going to want to save more. If you broke a $20 bill and you put away $5 today, next week try and put $10 away. I feel like the more you can cut back on, the faster it is for you to start saving up. My last tip, even though you are saving, you do want to treat yourself. I feel like one of the best things that I discovered when saving was I still could treat myself because I was saving so much money. When you treat yourself, it kind of motivates you to want to do more. That kind of motivator to keep going, like a reward, you know what I'm saying? I feel like putting yourself on a reward system also gives you some type of motivation to keep going, in addition to seeing your money growing and growing and growing. So yeah, you guys, those are my tips. I hope they are helpful for you guys because they were definitely helpful for me. I was never ever good at saving money, and once I started doing these simple things, which is why I wanted to do a video on it, I really started to watch my money grow and grow and grow. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment below, and all of my social media sites will be down below. Love you guys so much, and I hope you found these tips really helpful. I know they helped me out a lot. Please keep these tips in mind and in consideration when you are saving your money, you guys, because you will be amazed at how much money you can actually save up. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed my tips, and happy Friday. I will see you guys in my next video.